Heritage Lawns and Irrigation. I hope everybody's doing good today. The sun is out. I'm so thankful that the sun is out. It has been raining, it seems like, for the past week. We've had 13 plus inches of rain. Can you believe it? We are now above average. We started last week roughly about 8.5 inches below average. Now we're above average. And it's craziness how things can change. The temperatures have changed. The winds have changed. Everything's changed. Your lawn's going to be changing. But one thing that I want to talk to you about today in the head lawn coach's report is what I'm seeing out there and what's going on with these changes in temperatures. So as far as seeding goes, we are at our window where seeding is just about done, just about wrapped up. And as far as soil temp goes, I'm actually reading the soil temp right now. And basically from where we are at, 60 degrees soil temp, okay? Our deadline for soil temperature for seeding is 55 degrees. And we're gonna hold steady right around 60 degrees to 63 degrees or so, because our surface temperature, and what I mean by surface temperature is I use a infrared thermometer right here, okay? And I will shoot everything. And our surface temperature right here is about 65 degrees or so. And in the full sun, it is about 73 to 74 degrees. So on a 55 degree day, you're gonna look at surface temperatures around 73, 74 degrees. That is gonna keep the soil temp right around 63 to 62 degrees, and that is good. That just means that germination is going to be right around that 21-day mark. And as far as temperatures dropping, temperatures look like they're going to drop in the 30s just a little bit. And that does not scare me. What scares me more than anything are those mid-20 temperatures. And I don't see any mid-20s at all for the next 3 to 4 weeks. So it is very important to remember, just in case we do get a frost, it's okay. Here is your pro tip of the week. What needs to happen if we do have a chance of frost and there is going to be a dew in the morning, because that frost will set up as soon as the sun rises in the morning. So as soon as the sun rises up and there's a dew on the ground, that frost will set in. Here is your pro tip. What you can do is you can throw some water down on it. You can turn on the irrigation system, because the water temperature is going to be a lot warmer and it's going to melt everything. And that's going to take care of that frost. That is your pro tip. Just add some water, because the water temperature is actually still 60 degrees plus, and the ground temperature is still right around 60 degrees. So that will actually eat the frost away. That is your pro tip of the week. So the most important thing we need to remember about this week is soil temps are dropping, but they're still where we need to be as far as growing, but we're just going to see a slower germination process. The germination process is going to be that full 21 days, if not 24 days. So when the soil temp drops to that 60 degrees, that's when germination will really slow down. So take that in mind. But if you guys have any questions, any concerns, please give us a call, 913-451-4664. 913-451-4664. It's all right here. You can also visit our website, heritagelawnskc.com. heritagelawnskc.com, all right here. You can go under our seeding page, and all the information you need is right there. And remember, as long as we keep those nighttime temps around 40 degrees and then the daytime temps around 60, 65, we're going to have that surface temperature of like 74 degrees. And that's going to keep those soil temps right around 60 to 63 degrees. That is still awesome for seeding. It's just going to slow down the germination process just a little bit, but giving you guys a inside peek of what's going on. If we do drop those temps just a little bit and they do dip down in the 20s, that is just basically going to have a roller coaster ride for soil temps. They're going to be up, they're going to be down. But as long as we keep staying steady the next couple weeks in the low temperatures in those 40s, and then those daytime temperatures in the 60s and 70s, we're going to be just fine. So anyways, that is your lawn coach's report for this week. And I'm just kind of giving you guys the heads up what I'm seeing soil temp and everything out there that I'm seeing. So if you guys have any questions, please give us a call. 913-451-4664. And one thing you should never forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Subscribe right here. This is Jason. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it.